Hey, your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got the latest working 99 nights in the forest scripts for my Roblox game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on browse all scripts. You will find 99 nights in the forest. Click there, guys, and it will load up. So guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here, or let me quickly show you. So go to your browser, go to roblox.com, go to your account, click on your profile, and guys, just make sure to copy your profile URL, because in your profile URL there is your user ID. Just copy whole profile URL. Let's get back to our tool and just click on this button, so it will automatically paste only your user ID from that link. Click connect account, it will start fetching our Roblox profile, guys, and you should get this message, user found, and your name. So boom, guys, there we go. Now we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use scripts. So guys, don't worry, because we can import now newest Delta executor. So if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different, just make sure to select different executor. And guys, if you want to import, select no and click import newest Delta executor. I will import it as well. So guys, there we go. It's the main step. So there we will select our additional scripts that we would like to install. So you can click here and select all scripts you like, guys. You can Google them. You can see features. You can see reviews. I will select 4, click continue, and guys, it will start connecting to the API. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. So look at this, guys. API is connected, our 4 scripts selected are ready, and our activation key is there as well. Nice, guys. So now we will click on I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get now. So look at this, guys. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our user ID is connected and our key is now unrevealed and full. Guys, now we will open our Roblox and we will see, is it actually working, guys? Let's go to 99 nights in the forest. Let's click play. Let me rotate my phone, guys. I'm so excited to see, is it actually working? I will click play. And there we go, guys. Look at this. We got our Delta and let's see 4 scripts. Nice, guys. So Luna, Nikius, Forshop, Overflow, just as we selected. So let me create any party. I will start it really quick. So just to make sure that script's actually working, we will execute some, and then we will see our features working. Let's wait a little bit. And there we go. Nice. I will click on overflow for now and let's see, is it actually working? So let's wait a little bit, guys. It should be laggy a little bit until it loads, and there we go. Look at this, guys. We got finally our 99 nights in the forest script for free. Look at this, guys. Kill aura. We got all those amazing scripts. Look at this, guys. I mean features. We can enable all those options, remove fog if you like more. Look at this, guys. Walk speed, let's test walk speed. Teleports, let's see now. Guys, it's sick. It's sick. It actually works amazing. I'm so excited because it worked after testing a lot of websites. bloxforge.com was the only working one. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.